Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series about PHP from scratch. And today also we are going to continue with forms, and I'm going to show you something new, which how to do file upload or how to upload a file. Basically, if you want to give your user, your visitor, your site visitor, the ability to upload files, you also need to know how to do this file upload, how to deal with the file, how to make the form, and this is going to be part 1 about that. So let's get started. Here I have a form, as I have explained to you before, how to create a simple form. Please, if you haven't watched my previous video about that, please do so. Here the form, this is all what you see here is just HTML code, no PHP at all. The form need an action, and the action is just the file you will send the post or the get to. You will send the information to. Here I have chosen index.php, which is the same file here. If you see the file here, this is the file I'm using or I'm typing in. It's called index.php. Here also I'm going to send the information to index.php, to the same file. And here I'm choosing the method. I said before I have two methods, either get or post. When I use get, I want the visitors to be able to see the URL, or to copy the URL and send it to friends or to colleagues. When you use get method, the information itself will be available on the URL, okay? But when you use post, the information will not be available. I have said that before, okay? And here I'm using just simple input type. It's a text type. Just I'm asking about the first name, okay? That's how we have seen that already. And here this input type is just a submit button here, and I give it the name submit, and the value submit. This value is a word that you will see on the bottom itself. Let's try this code. As you see, nothing new for you. I can type here anything, ABC, submit. As you can see, because I'm using post, nothing in the URL remains the same, okay? Now I want to change this form to be able to send files, so all what I have to do here is first I have to change this type. This input type to be file, like that, okay? When I change the input type to be file like this, see what will happen. I just change this word from text to be file. See what will happen here. We have new button here, okay? This button is just because this word, the word file. This button does what? Let's click on it. It will give the user the ability to choose a file from his own computer. You see, as you can see here, I can choose a picture from my pictures and so on. You see, as you can see here, the picture is in this box, okay? So the first thing is I have to tell the form that the type is file, okay, in order to get this button. Another thing I want to do, but it's not important, it's up to you, okay? It's just change the name to be my file, for example, or whatever you want, my file, okay? Just to represent the content, that's it. It's not important, okay? So first thing we have to do is to change the type, and I'm going to move now to the second important part. Is also, if you have an idea about file upload, if you have a remote server that's far from you, and you want to upload your own PHP files, your own pictures, you are using FTP client, okay, you have to set up the mode of the FTP client to use binary mode. Because of what? Because if you submitted or if you uploaded your pictures or videos in ASCII mode, which is the default, all these files going to be corrupted, okay, because you are uploading files in binary, like videos or pictures or things like that. You have to use binary mode in your FTP client. The same here also in the form. I have to tell the form that I am going to upload files in binary mode. In order to do that, I have to use this keyword enc type. Enc type means encryption type, okay, equals like that. Then here I type multi part, then slash for data. As you see, this is just to tell the browser, okay, that I want to send this information in binary mode, okay. Nothing will happen here. If I run the program, still the same, nothing new for you. Now, so now all you have to do is to change this to make sure you have this file type and this enc type, okay. Now we need to deal with this file, how to save it, what kind of files I want, or what kinds of files I have, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to leave this for the second part of this tutorial, and until now I say thank you very much for watching my video, and see you later.